Picture a soda can blown up to the size of a mini. Now blink. 15 seconds later it's flatter than a paperback. We watched it happen, twice, and our brains are still buffering. It's a scorching sunny day in Aberdeen, 23 degrees, and we're sweating buckets at Big Bear Metals. The air is thick with the sharp, metallic smell you never forget. Behind us, a dragon's hoard of twisted aluminum, copper, and, what is that? Alloys glints in the sun. This is our reward after collecting a load of unwanted metal. We sold it, got a fair price, and now we've been given a tour to see the magic happen. No CGI, no speed ramp, just one lazy afternoon in a machine the crew calls Big Bertha. She's about to turn a giant bale of cans into a dense, tidy cube. After selling our own collection of unwanted metals, we got to see the whole operation. Lorries roll in every few minutes, tip their load, and disappear. Fridge doors, car wheels, microwaves, even old road signs. Staff in high-vis weave between the piles with gizmos that look like barcode scanners, separating brass from bronze and copper from who knows what. Everything gets sorted and cataloged, ready for the next stage. Our haul of scrap paid for diesel and a much-needed coffee. Big Bertha lives in a bay big enough to crush almost impossible objects. 2 hydraulic rams as thick as redwoods guard a compression chamber that's more scar tissue than steel. Ali grins, ready to see what happens to a giant aluminium cylinder? He points at a massive, compressed bale of aluminum cans. Ali taps a screen, the chamber door sighs shut. A warning beep, then a growl starts low and climbs until it sounds like the sky tearing in half. 2,200 tons of pressure squeeze the giant cylinder like it's clay. 15 seconds later, the growl drops to a purr. A green light blinks, the door lifts, and out slides a cube so sharp it could slice a sandwich. Steam curls off the top as it cools. The numbers are just wild, over 90% of the volume is gone. That's not just efficiency, that's cheating physics. The money shot. We filmed 3 more takes. An aerial view of the compound, safety labels, and waste metals. Each replay shows something new. The metal folding like wet fabric, the moment the ram's reflection warps, the lone spark that shoots out. Between takes, Ali drops some stats. The plant can recycle 1,400 tons a month. That's a staggering number of cans, and it certainly puts our own small contribution into perspective. The freshly made cubes ride a conveyor, get weighed, and are stacked into Tetris-perfect towers. Forklift drivers glide like dancers, moving pallet by pallet. Next stop for these cubes. A smelter where they'll be melted at over 660 degrees Celsius, rolled into sheets, and maybe, plot twist, become parts of an e-bike, an airplane, or even another drinks can ready to come home. Like watching contents like this? Smash subscribe. Next month we cover Big Bear Metal Aberdeen's heavy-duty operations and safety protocols. Same deal. Real machines, real recycling, and zero fluff. While waiting for paperwork, we socialized and chat with their staff. The staff are friendly and very helpful. You do not have to do the heavy lifting by yourself. It's that kind of place, strict about steel, but with a soft spot for its people. Ever find yourself in Aberdeen with heaps of unwanted metal? Head over to Big Bear Metals Aberdeen. We ask Ali what he loves most about the job. That heartbeat moment, he says, when the hydraulics hit peak and everything goes quiet. That's the metal giving up. The gate clangs shut behind us. Teehee sun is still high, gulls scream overhead, and the North Sea winks in the distance. We've got cash in our pocket from our scrap, hours of 4K footage, and a new appreciation for the journey of our waste. It was not all about making coffee or furl money. It is also about decluttering and mental clarity. I can also make passive income on YouTube from the views here on YouTube. Before you throw out that old washing machine or microwave, think recycling. We even have a small, dense metal cube, a souvenir from the day. It's sitting in our workshop now, a shiny, warm reminder of Bertha's half growl, half sigh as aluminum surrendered to steel. From a mountain of scrap to a molecule-thin sheet, that aluminum's second life started with one glorious squeeze. Big Bear showed us how the future gets tidied up, one compact cube at a time. Got a weird object you'd want to see crushed? Drop it in the comments. And the next time you toss a can in the recycling bin, picture it maybe meeting Bertha. She's always hungry.
So a few weeks ago, we visited Big Bear Metals here in Aberdeen, and I posted a video on how much I made from Big Bear Metal. First, I would like to thank everyone that took their time to watch that video. appreciate your support. So today we're going back to Big Metals. We don't have a lot of stuff today, but we're just doing this in the name of decluttering and side gigs and also content creation. And this also helps us to clear our space and clear mental space up in our heads. Sorry, not up in our heads. And we get to spend time together. So if you have metals, you have things like that, things that look rusted, you're not really using them, they're taking up space in your home, in your office, in your business place, you can start decluttering, you can flip things. So even if you don't want to go to places like Big Bear Metals, you could explore Facebook Marketplace and eBay for smaller things. So if you have things like phone, iPads, sell on Facebook. Yes. Am I standing too close? Oh, okay. So that must be this one.
Welcome to Big Bear Metals, the best scrap yard in Scotland. And this is our baler, and this is what's left.
That machine did that. So you could see he puts in a big, is that a can or a
cylinder.
metal? A big cylinder,
Copper
and it's
cylinder.
copper cylinder. It's so powerful and it turned it into that.
Yep.
So come to Big Bear Metals because they're going to help you. You don't have to upload all the heavy stuff yourself. That's the number one thing I noticed here. And I think they observe site safety. I can see boots, I can see signs everywhere. I copied a couple of the signs. I can see eye and ear protection must be worn when operating machinery. And guys, they don't cheat you. I'm here, I thought I was going to make maybe 2 pounds or 5 pounds, but I made something. So it's not all about money, it's about decluttering your space and freeing your space and freeing your mind. So come to Big Bear Metals Aberdeen. If you have scrap metals,
Scrap metal recycling.
okay, scrap metals recycling. Big Bear Metals Aberdeen, they are your guys. And they've been so nice to me today. They've been so kind and they've allowed me to film and do this voiceover. Thank you so much, Big Bear Metals.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. I wanted them to wave and they did. Yeah. that's one.